Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. BYJU'S academic specialist assistant tutor social science के रोल के लिए हायरिंग कर रही है. जॉब लोकेशन इज रिमोट लोकेशन, दैट मीन्स वर्क फ्रॉम होम. आप घर बैठे ही काम कर सकते हैं. एंड BYJU'S हेड ऑफिस इज बैंगलोर अर्बन कर्नाटका. नाउ लेट अस सी अबाउट द जॉब रोल. लेट अस चेक द रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज फर्स्ट. So, सबसे पहले है कंडक्टिंग ऑनलाइन ऑडियो वीडियो क्लासेस, क्लैरिफाइंग डाउट्स, क्रिएटिंग पॉजिटिव लर्निंग एनवायरनमेंट फॉर आवर स्टूडेंट्स in grades 6 to 10 on our learning platform, providing error-free step-by-step solutions to the questions raised by the students, helping students strengthen their understanding of the concepts of social science, history, geography, civics and economic subjects. No prior experience in teaching is required. That means freshers are eligible to apply here. Now they have given an ideal candidate profile. So an ideal candidate should have a passion for teaching and create an impact in the field of education, have a strong subject knowledge in social science, impeccable communication skills, English, verbal and written, camera facing skills, be able to teach in English and one regional language, Tamil, Marathi or Kannada, be able to map theoretical knowledge to practical applications, be a self-driven quick learner and show adaptability to new concepts and tools. Be able to make learning easy for students from different backgrounds and of different cognitive ability. Now let us check the eligibility criteria. Must be a minimum graduate in social sciences, BA or BSc or B.Ed. Work location is remote, work from home, and employment time is full time. Compensation is 4 LPA is a fixed plus 75,000 annual variable bonus. So total CTC is up to 4.7 LP. Now if you are eligible for apply, आपको इस अप्लाई बटन पर क्लिक करना है एंड जैसे ही आप क्लिक करेंगे ये गूगल फॉर्म ओपन हो जाएगा. हियर यू हैव टू फिल योर बेसिक डिटेल्स एज ईमेल, नेम, कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर, डेट ऑफ बर्थ, क्वालिफिकेशन, लैंग्वेज स्पोकन, टीचिंग एक्सपीरियंस, वेयर डू यू हियर अबाउट द जॉब ओपनिंग, एंड देन यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन दिस नेक्स्ट बटन. आफ्टर क्लिकिंग ऑन नेक्स्ट, दिस पेज विल ओपन. Please follow these guidelines to upload your demo video and resume. So you have to upload your demo video here. The duration of the video should be approximately 5 minutes. The video should include a short teaching demo on any concept of these topics: French Revolution, Indian Constitution, physical features of India. The explanation of the concept should be appropriate for grade 8 to 10 level. The demo should be in English. Ensure you are visible and audible in the video. The size of the video file should not be greater than 150 MB. The resume should be in PDF format only. Then you have to create a demo video and you have to upload your demo video here by clicking this add file, and after that you have to upload your resume. After uploading your resume and demo video, you have to click on the submit button and you have to submit the application. You can find the link in the description box and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए and share it with your friends. लेटेस्ट जॉब ओपनिंग्स के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.